How to fix ChatGPT access denied error code. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Google Chrome, and here you have to click on these three dots and go on your settings. Now once you are in, you have to go on the privacy and the security, and here you have to scroll down and go on the privacy and security. Now once you're in, you have to go on the site settings and go back. Here you have to click on the clear browsing data. You have to clear the data. After clearing the data, you have to go back, and here you have to open up the new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. Now you have to click on the Chrome Web Store extensions, and here you have to search the store for the VPN. Here is the many types of the VPN. You have to install any one. Click on the VPN and add to this Chrome, and after adding to the Chrome, you have to add this to the extensions. After that, you have to go on the ChatGPT and add up your account. So yeah, this is how you can fix ChatGPT access denied error code.